Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change this PC icon on desktop in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change this PC icon on desktop in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now click on Themes. Scroll down. Click on Desktop Icon Settings. In Desktop Icon Settings pop-up menu, you will find here this PC. Just select this PC and click on Change Icon option. Here you will find many icons. You can change icons from here. You will find lot of icons here. I am going to select this one. Now click on OK. Look, this PC icon has been changed. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Now close settings. Look, this PC icon has been changed on desktop in my 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.